everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and we're here with another tongue twister. Are you ready? This is a real tongue twister in my eyes because we're really practicing the most difficult sounds, the R sound and the L sound. And I think for anyone speaking English, whether we're a native speaker or whether English is our second or third or even fourth language, these are the really difficult sounds, the R and the L. So let's first say them really slowly. Truly, truly, rural, rural, truly, rural. Let's put them together. Truly rural, truly rural, truly rural. Whoa, I'm having real difficulties with that, even though I'm saying it really slow. So let's speed it up a little bit. Truly rural, truly rural, truly rural. Wow. Should we try again? Truly rural, truly rural, truly rural. Ah, your turn. Hey, that was really good. Well done. Try it a bit faster this time. And now let's do it together. Truly rural, truly rural, truly rural. Well done. In my eyes, that's a real tongue twister. So that's a great one for you to be practicing as often as you can. Give it a go this week. Try it every single day. And for some fun, why not test this one out on your friends? See how well they go saying this tongue twister as well. I'm sure it will all make you giggle. Anyway, thanks for listening today. Have a wonderful day and come back again soon for another tongue twister. Thanks. Bye.